Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Elda Arabis. But anyway guys, how's everything? I hope the day of your day is very good, okay? So now we are here at the big park again. I features you there's one, but the other type is not it's not it's not covered last time. Okay, so for now we are here. I show you all the rest of the view that we are doing. So come with us, come with me, and we wanna find you all the rest the beauty of the nature here in the beach. And then we wanna go to the beach. We need to play going around because it's a sunny day, right guys? You can see all around us, all the natures is so nice, right? But anyway, samahan nyo ako guys, come with us, come with me. Now I have a backpack already, right? I'm a Dora. The features of the title of my video is it's a big park with a beach. Okay? Okay. So come with me guys. I show you. Oh, look at that. I show you. It's a very nice place. Yeah. And guys, I feel so sorry for my video sometimes because I'm still practicing, I'm still improving, I'm still doing my stuff that to be okay, because from now I don't know how to edit yet. So when I edit this one, I'll let you know. Oh, what's that? Look at the beach, look at the water. It's a lot of wave. Look at that. The wave is, it's very strong. Ferris. No, it's too strong. Look at that. Come with me, guys. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my. See? It's a very strong. The waves. Look at that. Have you heard the sound of the sea? Of the waves? Look at that. I will picture you guys. Oh my goodness. Aras, you wanna touch the water? You wanna touch the water? Yeah, so guys, I think for now, I will show you a little bit. It's a very good one. See, it's a very strong. But guys, you know, that this beach is a very big beach. That because it's a pandemic, we just only open it because they are okay. So for every day now, guys, every day I will let you update for my vlogs, and I show you all the beauty of the nature here. I featured this before, but it's not totally everything. Okay, so now we go back to the other place that we need to play. Okay, but everything will be okay this one. Okay, it's so nice and it's very good. Okay guys, so I think it's enough for today. I features that one already before. Yeah, and the tree and the tree, and then will be okay. Okay guys, that's all for today. So give me a thumbs up and give me subscribe those that haven't subscribed yet, and see you soon for the next vlog. Okay, thank you, bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Elda Arvis and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.